Singing this Tagalog Condiman Karaoke, says here, Ikaw, by Mike Velarde. Mike Velarde, yeah, okay. Miguel Velarde Jr. Ikaw ang aking panaginip. Ikaw ang tibok ng dibdib. Pusong humihibik, dinggit umaawit, tinataghoy ay pag-ibig. Ikaw ang ligaya sa buhay, sa piling mo'y walang kamatayan. Puso ko'y nangumpisa sa Diyos na dalanginan, na ang pangarap ko'y ikaw. Ikaw ang ligaya sa buhay, sa piling mo'y walang kamatayan. Puso ko'y nangumpisa sa Diyos na dalanginan, na ang pangarap ko'y ikaw. Well, this is my audition song, but the tempo is different. It's like jazz when I sang this, and the choir director just keep on going up and up and
Be
higher.
confident there and
So
being ready for
he
life's adventure.
classified my voice then as first soprano, but now it's no longer like that because I had an operation, and I'm gonna look for another karaoke of that song because I really like it. It's saying that puso ko'y nangumpisa, that means my heart confessed to God, whom I worship, that my dream is you. Yeah, it's very, very beautiful love song.